Welcome back to the Mood Ring, Part 1, Exploring Color. In this video, we will cover Challenge 4. In Challenge 4, we're going to write Python code to turn the TI Innovator's color LED on to your favorite color that you recorded in the last activity on page 1.21. Take a moment to pause the video now and navigate to Challenge 4. It's probably on page 1.22. I'll see you there. Challenge 4. We're going to use the RGB values that we recorded in the previous activity for our favorite color to code the LED on the hub to illuminate with our favorite color. In my case, that was Burfunkel Blue. In addition to writing that code, which we've done before, this time I'm going to add a comment. Comments are very important in computer programming. Comments are a way for the programmer to make notes to themselves or perhaps their teammates on what they've done within a program in terms of how did they organize the variables, or how does a particular line of code work, or some other little reminder that they feel is important to let others or themselves know in the future what they've done within the program. So try to use comments whenever you write a program just to help document what you've done. You can enter a comment in TI Python a couple of different ways. You can choose it from a menu, but like a lot of the commands, you can also do it with a control key sequence, in this case, control plus the letter T. That's probably what I'll be using. Let's do this thing. I'm going to go back to the previous page, that's control, touchpad to the left, and there I see what I wrote down prior. My favorite color, I called it Burfunkel Blue, and it has the RGB values of 0, 146, and 255. Now that I recall that, I'm going to go forward again using the control arrow right on the touchpad once and control arrow right on the touchpad twice, and here I am at an empty Python editor. Now remember that Python, the language, extends functionality by adding modules. We're going to add a module that's required to add the functionality of allowing the calculator to communicate with the hub through that USB cable. So let's add that piece of code. To do that, I'll press the menu key, and I'm going to go to number 8, TI Hub, and number 1 from TI Hub Import. There we go. Now that's going to give the program all it needs to talk to the hub. Great. I'm going to go ahead and hit an enter to return an extra line just to make it more readable. And here's where I'm going to put in my comment. I want to put in a comment of the name of my color. So I'm going to press the control and the letter T. Now, alternatively, I could have gotten it from menu and number 3. And do you see number 3 as a comment, uncomment? There it is. So I could have done it that way also, right there. So either way is fine. So I'm going, since I've already got it there, I'm just going to leave it, and I'm going to press space, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my favorite color is Burfunkel Blue. Maybe even put a smiley face in there. And now here we go. Let's write the code for this. Now that I've written a comment, I'm going to go to menu and number 8. And remember that the LED is built into the hub, so it's number 2, built-in devices. And I'm going to choose color output number 1 and the method RGB. There we go. Now I recall that my value for Purfuncle Blue was 0, and then press the tab to go to the next. 1, 4, 6, and tab to go to the next, 2, 5, 5. Great. I hope this works. Over here on the right, you'll see the color LED is right down here and it's not turned on. And when I run this program, it will turn on Purfuncle Blue. I'm going to use the Control R key because, well, it's a pirate's favorite way to turn on the LED, R. So Control R. Hey, looky there, Purfuncle Blue. That is my favorite color. Well, take a moment now to code your favorite color. Well, this concludes our video. Stay tuned. Up next, Challenge 5, Coding the Mood Ring Colors.